Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, this is the pentagram constructors. So we are doing questions from the past paper, which was written by the Copperbelt University students on the 11th of August 2022. So today we are beginning with question 1. Yeah, as you all can see, we begin with question 1, and question 1 reads in figure 1. Rollers 1 and 2 are attached to the angled rod. Roller 1 slides along slot AB, while roller 2 slides along CD and back. Draw full size the locus of P, the end of the rod, for the complete movement of the roller 1 from A to B. So for starters, we'll begin with this question. So let me just write this question as it is, then later on everything follows. Okay, so for now we are going to draw a straight line. Make a straight line. Construction lines, please. Hope my line is, so for me I'll just make it a little bit darker, but all these lines has to be in construction lines. Yes. So having done that, then we're going to measure 62 plus 62, that's 124. So we are going to measure 124 from our drawn line. 124, so my 124 is there, and also my 0 is there. My 62, which is the center, is also there. So having done that, then you label this as AB. This is line AB. So having drawn line AB, then we are now going to draw a line perpendicular to line AB. So drawing a line perpendicular to line AB, you can use your set squares, but for now I use my ruler. Make sure it's accurate enough. So you draw a straight line cutting AB like that. Yes, draw a straight line. And just draw it a little bit darker so that it's visible to you, the viewers. Okay, that's my perpendicular line. So from this line, I'm going to make point D. So my point D, I'm going to get 62 using my compass. Then I'll stand at point O. I'll name this as my point. Oh, sorry. This is my point C. This is my point C. So from C, draw a line. I will mark my D here. So this is my point D. So having done that, then I'm going to divide this line AB, into 12 equal parts. So dividing line AB into 12 equal parts, just the same as dividing any straight line into required parts. So from A, I'll draw a line at an angle, any angle. I'll draw a line at an angle. Then having done that, then from using my compass, any reasonable distance, then I'll start marking from the drawn line 12 equal parts. So I have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you've seen I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 equal parts. Then the last point 12, I have to join it to point B. So having done that, then I'll get my pair of set squares. So I'll get my set squares, position them properly so that I make projections, so that sorry about that. I position my set squares properly like that. From line 12 to B, I'll use it as my reference line. Then I'll start sliding my set square like that. Come to 11, I drop a line touching line AB. Coming to 10, I drop a line touching line AB. 9. So you have to do this to all the lines up to 1. Okay, so having drawn the lines from 12 to 1 touching line AB, then I'm going to draw I'm going to use my pair of compass and measure 62 So from my compass I take 62 there. That's my 62. Then I'll stand at point 1, this line, using from line AB, stand at point 1. Then with this line, line CD, from line CD, where my compass meets, that's where my 62 is from line 1. So I'll just strike an arc there like that. Then having done that, I'll take note of this point. Then I'll draw a straight line from this arc that I drew, passing through point 1 there. I'll draw a straight line. I'm going to draw a straight line. Like that. So having drawn that straight line, then I'm going to measure 56 from this point going that side. So again, I'll take my compass like that, then measure 56. So from point 1 going this side, from point 1 going to that projected line, I'll measure 56 there. So that's my 56. So this, from my 56, I have to draw I have to make an angle of 120. So making an angle of 120, you just have to construct or use a protractor, but for you to gain more marks, just construct your angle like that. You stand on the same point that you measured 56, then you draw a semicircle, then you stand on the other point, you strike an arc there, and you stand on the same. So that's my 60. So 60 plus 60 is 120. So having drawn that, then I'll project a line from this point passing through my 120. I'll draw a straight line going up. I'll draw a straight line like that. So that's a straight line. So from that straight line, then I'll measure 20. I'm going to measure 20 millimeters. Be mindful, all dimensions are in millimeters. 20 millimeters. From there, I'll measure it like that. And this 20 now is my point P. So this is my point P. You can even say P1. So that's your point P. So having done that, having finding our point P, so we'll do the same to point 2. So from my point 2, I'll measure 62. 62 like that. Stand on point 2. Then from line CD, where my compass meets line CD, that's my point. So I take note of that point. Then from there, from this point, drawing a straight line passing through line 2, point 2, passing through point 2, I'll draw a straight line. So having drawn a straight line, I'll get my 56. I'll get my 56. Stand on point 2. Measure there my 56. Take note of that point. Then from that point, I'll again construct an angle of 120. So constructing an angle of 120 is very simple. Just do that. Then you stand on the other side there on this point. Then you see, stand on this point. You strike an arc. After striking an arc, stand on the same arc. Strike another arc. So that's my 120. So this is my 120. So I'm just going to draw a straight line. Like that. So having drawn a straight line, I'll measure 20 millimeters or 2 centimeters, depending on your own understanding. But for now, we are using 20 millimeters. So I'll strike an arc. So this 20 now, that's my P2. So having done that, I'll do the same to point 3. I'll measure 62. Stand on line 3. Strike an arc there. So that point, passing through point 3, draw a straight line like that. Then you measure 56. Measure 56 from point 3. Measure 56 from point 3. Strike an arc like that. Having done that, then from the same compass, construct your angle of 120. Construct your angle of 120 degrees like that. You stand on this point, you strike an arc there, then stand on that point, you strike another arc. So having done that, then you join the points. Do that. So having done that, then you are going to measure 20 millimeters. 20 there. You stand on this point, the center, you strike an arc like that. So that's your P3. So that's my P3. So you do the same procedure to line 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to 12 and back to A. So I'm going to pause my video and do the lines. Okay, so I've drawn my points, which is P, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8, P9, P10, P11 and P12 there. So using your free hand, Yeah, so you're going to join these points from P1 to P12. We're going to join them using freehand. So we're going to start with P prime like that. A smooth line without lifting the pencil. Because once you lift the pencil, then you're going to have ununiformed lines. If you want, you can just pause like that, then you continue with your smooth line. Smooth line. Smooth line like that. Oh, sorry, I forgot about P12. See? Like that. So this is the required activity they ask us to find. Yes, so having done that, then you have earned yourself 10 good marks. Thank you very much for watching, guys. See you next time.